Hey biology people, this is Mr. Gales and I'm going to share with you today a quick little screencast on how to best complete your critical analysis if you choose to do that assignment for extra credit for the first quarter. So I'm going to begin by just opening up my program that I'm going to go to get to the website. So for Blackboard, I'm just going to open up my website and I've already logged in. So now I'm at Blackboard and I'm going to log over to the Biology 400 course. If you're in Mr. Workman's class, of course, this is in Mr. Workman's Blackboard link. So you go to that website and you need to scroll down to the link that was posted for the extra credit. So I'm going to go back, first quarter extra credit opportunity. Now from here you might want to look at the critical analysis format first so you know what you need to make sure that you're getting done for the assignment. So the link, it's a course link here, so I'm going to click on critical analysis format course link and bring that up, and the file is right at the top of the screen right up here. Now, the easiest way to do this assignment is going to be to save this to your computer. So I am going to do a right click and save link as or download link as file. Okay, and I'm going to save it to, I don't want to save it to this there, I'm going to save it to the desktop just to work on that way. Okay, and it's going to save. And then I'm going to open it up. Now I'm working on a Mac here, so if you're working on a PC, the process is generally the same. The steps may be a little bit different. The file, when you open it up, it's going to open like this. This is in a Microsoft Word document. If you have any word processing tool, it should be fairly compatible. Although if you know you're going to have problems with a word processor, you might want to, try to write some of this separately and then work on it at school and hand it in, or you might need to get to the library over the weekend. Basically, once you have the document, you're going to start putting your own information in it. So I'm going to need to change a few things. It needs to be Bio 400, whatever period you're in. If I'm in period 2, for instance. Critical analysis of the title or article is obviously not what you need to put. You're going to put here IMAX Galapagos Islands. All right, and then once you've got your document set up, make sure you're doing a save on it frequently. The bibliography, the information for that is, I'll have that posted so you can just kind of use this. There's a link to a tool called Citation Machine that's in the Blackboard web resources for our course in biology. And once you have the basic information, you can plug that in. It'll give you the bibliographic citation for it. That is citationmachine.net is the link to it. So what you need to do basically is you need to be able to describe what the purpose of the video was that was here. What's the purpose of the article or video? Why are we showing this to you for extra credit? During the video, you need to be writing down interesting facts and you need to be able to discuss why you found them interesting. So the first sentence in the critical analysis is always what you thought was interesting, and the second sentence is where you explain why you chose that fact. For this assignment, you need 7 interesting facts that you're going to provide for us. So you have 7 numbered sentences there. The formatting should stay the same. The document should look the same. The document actually should look like these that we showed you guys in class, formatting-wise. Questions, you're going to write up 3 questions for this assignment that you need to have, so you can delete the last 2. But questions, generally things that were interesting to you that you want to know more about, things that you'd like to discuss at some point, something that sparked your interest. The next section here, section 5, is where you're going to talk about some specific example from the video of how what you learned in the video connected to something that we've learned in class so far this year, some major concept that we've learned about this year. So you're going to have to think about, what is it that we've studied and how does that reflect in the video. And then the last written section you'll need to include is a section where it's kind of the conclusion. You're going to identify what was the main lesson you learned, how that knowledge might be helpful for you in terms of, your approach to science, how the art, in this case, how the video made you feel, and then why someone else should take the time to watch this video. Then you get to the note card, the fun part. I have note cards that I can provide for you in class if you don't have your own, but the note card is going to have drawings, and it should be drawings only on the front side of the note card. You're going to do those in colored pencil, and those drawings should reflect colorful imagery, artistic imagery that is what sticks in your mind's eye from the video. And again, we've showed you a couple examples of the note cards in class from previous students. On the back of the note card, you're supposed to list 6 vocabulary words that were important in the video. Okay, so that's the format. Once you have your information, as you're going to get from watching the video, you can just start typing your information into the format, replacing the words that are there, and putting your own words in. Okay, so once you have the format, the next thing that you're going to need is going to be to get the actual video, and the link to the video is available through Blackboard. Remember, it's not searchable. You have to actually go to Blackboard to find it. So I'm going to go back to the announcements page, and you should scroll down until you locate it. Here's the extra credit opportunity. So I'm just going to right click and open that file in a new tab or new window, and it's going to take me to YouTube, and there's the Galapagos Islands video. So I can maximize my screen so I can actually sit back and relax and watch this. And you've got now time. You're going to write down on your note paper, the interesting facts that you've learned by watching the video, questions that you have. You can think about connections to previous class content. You can even write yourself some ideas about what you might have on your note card in terms of imagery. Okay. When that's all done, you just need to print it out. Make sure you have your note card. The note card is one of the crucial aspects of this assignment, so you got to make sure you get that done, and then bring it into class with you. It's going to be due on the Monday the 25th. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully that will help you to successfully complete your screencast assignment. This was Mr. Gales, and I'll see you in class.